Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Boxing Day. We don't celebrate Boxing Day. If you Australians or other people know what Boxing Day is, please comment down below. Anyway, we are going to Chicago, to the mall, and we'll show you how we get there, like how do we get to the mall. I always show like the road stuff. But then after that, we're going to a light show. I think it's called Let It Shine. And I'm definitely going to be excited to see that. It's in Chicago. The last light show we saw was Peoria. The last light show I saw was Peoria Lights, which you probably already know because I uploaded it a long time ago and eventually made music last year. So, yeah. And I'm planning on doing some New Year's stuff. Like, I have a big New Year's thing coming up. I was gonna do a YouTube rewind, but maybe the YouTube rewind could be like me, talking about my favorite moments. Not all my favorite moments, probably some of the best ones. Maybe not a top 10, maybe like some of the best ones. And then lastly, I'm gonna do some sort of like, remember Toot Buddy? Yeah, you probably remember that. I used that to go back to the year and see what was the most popular and stuff. Now, I'm getting too ahead of myself. Let's actually get started with the vlog.